Hello, and thank you so much for viewing this presentation on subject complements simplified. If you are looking for a really easy way to clearly understand subject complements, then this is for you. Let's get started. What are subject complements? A subject complement is a noun, adjective, or noun phrase that follows a linking verb or a to be verb, which describes or gives more information about the subject. Again, a subject complement is a noun, adjective, or noun phrase. A subject complement follows a linking verb or a form of be, a to be verb. A subject complement gives more description or details about the subject. What are linking verbs? Linking verbs are key to finding and understanding that you are dealing with a subject complement. Here are some common linking verbs. Is, are, was, were, been. Those are all to be verbs or forms of the verb be. Remain, seem, get, look, sound, appear, become, grow, continue, smell, feel, taste. You'll need to get familiar with linking verbs and just learn to identify them within sentences. Remember, subject complements follow or come after the linking verb. Let's take a look at the structure of a subject complement. You have a subject, you have the linking verb, and after the linking verb comes the subject complement. Okay, let's take a look at an example. Oatmeal is a good source of fiber. Oatmeal is the subject, is the linking verb, good source is the full subject complement, but the simple subject complement is source of fiber is a prepositional phrase. So if you can locate the linking verb is and cross out the prepositional phrase of fiber, that helps you to see the subject and the verb and makes the complement more clear and pronounced. In this example, source is a noun. So the subject complement for this sentence is the noun source. Mark's new car looks expensive. What is the subject? The complete subject would be Mark's new car, but we're just dealing with the simple subject, car. Looks is the linking verb. Expensive is an adjective that is the subject complement. Why? Because expensive comes right after looks. I want you to see that there are not very many words between the linking verb and the subject complement. Before we look at so many wonderful examples to help you clearly understand subject complements, let's look at some tips. One, let's review the definition for subject complement. Remember, a subject complement is a noun, adjective, or noun phrase that follows a linking verb or a to be verb and describes or gives more information about the subject. Number one, locate the subject. Two, locate the main verb. Cross out all prepositional phrases. This will help you to locate the subject complement. Remember, a subject complement will never be found within a prepositional phrase. If you are taking an English language proficiency exam, these tips will help you out a whole lot in order to get the correct answer. You're welcome. Let's move forward. Okay. Here is example number 1. For your reference and for your review, the definition of a subject complement will remain to the left, and we'll be taking looks at examples to the right and breaking them down. Okay, Neil's letters are brief notes jotted down on scrap paper. Neil's letters is the complete subject. Letters is the simple subject. When we say simple subject, we're talking about one word, one main word or root noun without any adjectives before it. Same thing with verbs. When we say simple verb, we're looking for the one word that is the main verb. Are is the linking verb. Brief notes is the complete complement, but notes is the simple complement. So determine whether or not you are supposed to figure out the complete subject or the simple subject, the complete complement, or the simple complement, especially if you are taking an exam. Example number 2. Uncle Julius was a peculiar man. Uncle Julius is the complete subject. Since Uncle Julius is one person's name, it is also the simple subject. Was is the linking verb. A peculiar man is the complete complement, but man is the simple complement because man comes after the linking verb was. Example number 3. Ross eventually became an expert electrician. Ross is the complete subject. Since it's only one person and there are no adjectives or any other words before Ross, Ross is also the simple subject. Became is the linking verb. An expert electrician is the complete complement. Electrician is the simple complement that follows the linking verb became. Remember, the subject complement is a noun, adjective, or noun phrase that follows a linking verb. Example number 4. The name of the first bubble gum was Double Bubble. The name is the complete subject. Name is the simple subject. Of the first bubble gum is a prepositional phrase. What do? We strike out prepositional phrases because a subject complement will never be within a prepositional phrase. Therefore, bubble gum cannot be the subject complement. Other than that, it comes before the linking verb, and subject complements always come after the linking verb. In this case, it is was. Double bubble is the complete complement, and it is also the simple complement because it is the only word after the linking verb was. Example number 5. In high school, Rosa's best friends were Toby and Cheryl. The complete subject is Rosa's best friends. Friends is the simple subject. Were is the linking verb. Were is a to be verb. Toby and Cheryl is the complete complement and the simple complement. Notice in most examples of subject complements, there are no words between the linking verb and the subject complement. Sometimes there might be words separating them, but a lot of the times you really don't have words separating the linking verb and the subject complement. The subject complement usually comes immediately after the linking verb. But again, there will be some examples where there are some words separating the linking verb and the subject complement, so don't get confused by that. Just always remember, cross out the prepositional phrases, locate the subject, locate the verb, and it'll be easy to find the subject complement. Okay, let's keep going. Example number 6. Tam Peters would be a good choice for team captain. Tam Peters is the complete subject. It is also the simple subject. Would be is a form of to be. so it is a to-be verb. A good choice is the complete complement, and choice is the simple complement that follows the to-be verb would be. Remember, subject complements can follow a linking verb or a to-be verb, as in this example. Example number 7. Our neighbors seem nice and friendly. Our neighbors is the complete subject. Neighbors is the simple subject. Seem is the linking verb. Nice and friendly are adjectives. Nice and friendly is the complete complement. Nice and friendly is also the simple complement. Remember, a subject complement can be a noun, adjective, or noun phrase. Here, you have a compound adjective as the subject complement. Example number 8. Your dog is more affectionate than mine. Your dog is the complete subject. Dog is the simple subject. Is the linking verb. Affectionate is the complete complement, and it is also the simple complement. Affectionate is an adjective that follows the linking verb is. Example number 9. Children can be noisy. Short, sweet, and true. Children is the complete subject. Children is also the simple subject because it is the only subject that comes before can be, which is a form of be. It is a to be verb. Noisy is the complete complement because it is the only word coming after the linking verb. It is also, therefore, the simple complement. Coachella is a major musical event. Coachella is the complete subject. Coachella is also the simple subject. It is also the only subject that comes before the linking verb is. A major musical event is the complete complement. Event is the simple complement. In summary, when talking about subject complements, you must also understand nouns, noun phrases, adjectives, verbs, linking verbs, auxiliary or helping verbs, also known as forms of to be, subjects, and prepositional phrases. Okay, hopefully this presentation has been helpful to you. If you need more practice, if you need more assistance, head to my website, arhampton.com. That's www.arhampton.com. I have books for student success grammar skills, also for adult learners, business writing. Just go ahead to the website and click books to see what is available to you to help you improve your writing skills. Again, that's www.arhampton.com. Thank you so much for watching and happy learning.